Hey guys, welcome back to all of you to another new episode of the channel STEM Educator Suresh. Today, in this attractive episode, I am inviting all of you about the similarities and difference between ions and radicals. So, my dear friends, watch the video from start to the end without skipping. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it. Hit the bell icon as well. And also, if you enjoy the video, then don't forget to thumbs up, share and comment in the comment box of this video. And if you have any question or opinion, any interest to know the unknown things relating to this, then inform me in the comment box of this video. I must provide you the best solution of that. So don't be late. Hurry up, let's start now. So, what are the similarities and differences between ions and radicals? As you know that the radical is an atom or group of atoms of an equivalent or of various elements that behave as one unit with a positive or negative charge or even charge neutral. A radical can be basic radical having a positive charge, that is a cation, and can also be an acidic radical having a negative charge, that is an anion. They can form chemical formulae by using combining power because they have their own combining power. On the other hand, we know for an ion, an atom or a group of atoms that carries a positive or negative electric charge as a result of having lost or gained one or more electrons is an ion. Positively charged ions are called cations, negatively charged ions are called anions. Ions are formed by the addition of electrons to or the removal of electrons from neutral atoms or molecules or other ions. For example, chloride, bromide, iodide are the anions, whereas sodium, potassium, barium are cations. These are different types of ions. Now, we want to see the similarities and differences between ions and radicals. Number 1. An ion is an atom or group of atoms that carries a positive or negative electric charge as a result of having lost or gained one or more electrons is an ion. For radical is the atom of an element or a group of atoms of different elements that has at least one unpaired of electron. Ion has positive and negative charge on it. In a radical, neutral, positive and negative in charges are there. Number 3, electrons in ions are paired. In a radical, one unpaired of electron is present. Number 4, compared to radicals, ions are stable, but compared to ions, radicals are unstable. Number 5, a molecule of sodium carbonate has two pairs, sodium ion and carbonate ion. Here, sodium is a positive ion and carbonate is a negative ion. For radical, elemental nitrogen and hydroxyl are the best example of simple free radicals. Number 6, ions are formed due to heterolytic fission, whereas radicals are formed due to homolytic fission. Remember that the radical is an atom, molecule or ion that has an unpaired valence electron. Generally, we think that basic radicals means that negative ion, but it is false. Actually, it is opposite of this. That is, they are positive ions. So keep in mind, there are neutral radicals that are radicals without any charge on them. Example for neutral radical is methyl radical. That's all. We'll meet again very soon by the upcoming video. Thanks all.